start. The gravity of the crime, motive for the crime, nature of the crime, and all other attending circumstances have to be borne in mind while imposing the sentence. Stop. The court cannot afford to be casual while imposing the sentence, inasmuch as both the crime and the criminal are equally important in the sentencing process. Stop. The courts must see that the public does not lose confidence in the judicial system. Stop. Imposing inadequate sentences will do more harm to the justice system and may lead to a state where the victim loses confidence in the judicial system and resorts to private vengeance. Stop. From the facts portrayed, it is clear that the police knew the identity of the deceased was different from the person they wanted to investigate initially. Stop. The manner in which the deceased and his family members were taken into custody reflects pure act of lawlessness and does not befit the conduct of the police. Stop. The High Court of Lahore in Emperor AIR 1936 had observed that there was a requirement to treat the crime under section 330 with stringent punishments in order to have deterrent effect in the following. Stop. Even though PW 49 was not subjected to detailed cross-examination on the aspect of choking due to vomiting. Stop. However, the doctor does accept the possibility of cancer due to such choking from the contents of vomit. Stop. The other circumstance was that the deceased was found to be in an inebriated condition, which as per the medical evidence decreases the resistance to 12 stress. Stop. Moreover, it is on record that the deceased was earlier suffering from tuberculosis. Stop. Para. It is a matter of record that both the courts below have taken a concurrent view that the crime narrated above did not amount to culpable homicide, as the cause of death was so and so, and there was nothing on record to prove that the injuries were the cause of the death. Stop. It is well settled that in order to be called a murder, it needs to be culpable homicide in the first place. That is to say, all murders are culpable homicide, but the vice versa may not true in all cases. Stop.